Hello panel members and my audience, this is Delson over here and today I'll be demonstrating my project which is handshake capturing tool. So before demonstrating, let me explain the scenario of my setup. So I have a device which is connected to a router and I have my rogue device which is a Raspberry Pi 4 which I'll be controlling using my tab or a mobile. Let me explain how this whole attack works. So there's this wireless network in which multiple devices are connected. Now the attacker comes into the range of that wireless network and he sends deauth packets. Once sending the deauth packets, all the clients which are connected to that wireless network are being disconnected. Once being disconnected, the devices again try to connect back to that wireless network. While connecting, a four-way handshake takes place between those devices and the router. While this four-way handshake takes place, the attacker's device is ready to listen to any handshake that is being captured, taking advantage of which the attacker now gains the handshake. Now let's start with the demonstration part. As you can see on the screen, so this is my project and I'll be controlling my Raspberry Pi using my tab. So on my screen, as you can see, so right now I'm on my root directory. So let me go to CD tools. So here I'll be starting my main script which is control.sh. So as you can see, my monitor mode has been started. So the first phase of my attack will be to scan the nearby Wi-Fi network devices. And now my first phase has been started. Now it is sending deauthenticating packets to that specific wireless network. And after sending the packet, for next 10 seconds it will stop and see whether any handshake has been captured. So this is the first phase of my attack. And now my next phase of my attack will be to separate the handshakes. After separating the handshake, it will store in another file. So this file which contains the handshake will be used to crack the password of a Wi-Fi. So let's move on to the second part of my project. The next part of our project is an open port exploiter, which means this device is capable of exploiting physical open ports. So this device can be used by any security analyst while performing red team activities in an organization. Let me give a brief idea on how this attack takes place. As a red teamer, I disguise myself as a newly joined employee of that company. I get inside the building infrastructure of that company. I see an unattended computer where no one is watching. I go near it and snuck this little device to the backside of the CPU and gain the reverse shell. And now I have the full access of that device. Let me explain how this whole attack works. I have a listener setup which will listen to any incoming connection on the cloud 24/7. I have my laptop which is connected to an internet via hotspot which represents organization's network. Now let's start with the demonstration part of an open port exploiter. So as explained, as an attacker, I'll be attaching this device inside the USB port.
We must up the place, turn up the bass and make some sound, boy run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday.
So as you saw, I just snuck my tiny device into that computer. Now I'll be controlling that device using my tablet. So now I'll click on run. And now as you can see on the screen of the victim's device, now opening PowerShell as an administrator. Once opened, it will insert the script automatically. Once inserting the script, it will close the PowerShell window and the process will run in the background by being covert. Now coming to the attacker's screen, here we are waiting for the incoming connection from the victim's device. As you can see, we have just received the remote shell from the victim's device. Now let's try executing some commands like pwd. And let's do directory listing by typing dir. As you can see, we are able to see the files in the current directory. Now let's go to users directory by going back. Let's list the users. Now in there you can see the admin directory. Now let's access the admin directory. As you see here, we have the full control over the victim's device. And now we have come to the end of our demonstration. So this project was prepared by our group, Aman Chaube, Saish Kadge and myself, Delson D'Souza. I hope you like it.
The bass and make some sound, boy run. And we will end your week just like a Sunday.